Looking to upgrade your BMW X5 interior? We've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 BMW X5 seat covers to protect your seats in style. From sleek designs to unbeatable comfort, find the perfect fit for your ride. Let's dive in. At number 5 on our list, we have the stylish and durable Pariitadin leather seat covers. These covers bring luxury and practicality together with their gorgeous stitching and sleek pattern. Designed to fit like a glove, they deliver both comfort and a premium look, making your interior feel like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Easy to install and clean, these covers offer long-lasting protection and look just like real leather. They're a great value for the price, with many users praising their perfect fit and impressive durability. Elevate your BMW X5 interior with Pariitadin's beautiful craftsmanship. Next up, we're diving into number 4. Stay tuned to see what's next. At number 4 on our list, we have the versatile and stylish Aierxuan leather seat covers. These covers bring a touch of elegance to your BMW X5 while offering reliable protection. Crafted from thick, durable material, they prevent spills from seeping through and provide a soft, comfortable layer for your seats. The snug fit ensures they stay securely in place, and while the straps might need a little adjusting, once set, they hold up well. Cleaning is effortless, and the color and texture add a sleek look to your interior. For those seeking a balance of comfort, style, and practicality, Aierxuan delivers a fantastic value. Stick around as we move to number 3 on the list. You won't want to miss it. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have the AOOG leather seat covers. These covers combine durability and style, breathing new life into your BMW X5's interior. The colors match beautifully, and their high-quality material gives your seats a fresh, premium look. Designed to stay in place, the covers offer a snug fit with easy installation. They're tough enough to handle daily wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Customers love how these covers make their older interiors look brand new. AOOG delivers the perfect blend of quality, functionality, and value for your X5. Don't go anywhere. Number 2 on the list is just around the corner. At number 2 on our list, we have the luxurious and durable Aierxuan leather seat covers. These covers are a perfect mix of style and function. With a sleek design and thick, high-quality materials, they provide a premium, expensive look while delivering exceptional durability. Fitting your BMW X5 perfectly, these covers stay in place even with constant use. Installation is simple with a bit of planning, and the added comfort and style make every drive feel special. If you're looking for a luxurious upgrade that's worth every penny, Aierxuan has you covered. Stay tuned, our top pick for BMW X5 seat covers is coming up next. At number 1 on our list, we have the unbeatable Coverado leather seat covers. These seat covers stand out with their ultra-high quality and use of 100% genuine Napa leather, offering both durability and a luxurious feel. They fit like a glove and give your BMW X5 a factory-fresh appearance that's hard to match. Installation is straightforward, and the premium materials ensure exceptional comfort for every drive. With their near-perfect fit and outstanding value for the price, these covers truly redefine elegance and practicality. Upgrade your BMW X5's interior with Coverado and experience the difference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top-tier car accessory reviews.